All 4 sensor batteries are almost depleted. I have to replace them. Here are 4 coin cell batteries, CR1632. I'll start with the front right tire. Unscrew the sensor from the tire. Remove the sensor cap by turning it anti-clockwise. Find the small hole on the edge of the sensor. Find a pin or a small paperclip. Insert the pin into the small hole on the sensor. Push firmly until the battery pops out. Check the battery type is CR1632. Check the remaining lifespan. Insert the new battery into the sensor. Notice that the battery indicator turns green. Put the sensor cap back on. Screw the sensor back into the tire. Now I'll repeat the same process for the rear right tire. The batteries and 2 sensors have been replaced. 2 more to go. I'm halfway there. Now I'll repeat the same process for the rear left tire. Done! Only 1 more battery left to replace. Now I'll repeat the same process for the front left tire. This sensor cap is over-tightened and difficult to remove. I need to find another way to remove it. I will pour some hot water into a bowl and submerge the sensor cap in it to expand the plastic. Make sure you are only submerging the cap itself. Be very careful not to let water get inside the sensor body, as it could short-circuit the electronics or cause corrosion. Now I will try to open the cap again. Make sure to dry it off thoroughly first so you can get a good grip. The cap is no longer stuck, I can open it now. Now I'll get back to replacing the sensor battery. I have finished replacing all the sensor batteries. As you can see, the battery indicators for all 4 tires are green now. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.